Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and this video is not going to have too much about Corel Draw, more about YouTube, and I've posted 2 videos over the years on how to find one of my videos. And then somebody asked me a question today, and I'm going to go over that too. He was watching video part 4 of a series, and he said, how can I find part 1? You have so many videos. And I just thought I'd kind of throw this out there. Just a few days ago, I hit over 5,500 videos, and this morning I hit over 6,000 or 6 million views. And I get many compliments and thank yous, and that's kind of what keeps me going. So I thought I'd go over it. Well, you can see right now I've got 6 million views. I have over 23,802 subscribers, and I thought I'd go over there how to find. So he asked me a question right here. Well, I'm not going to show his name. How to find part 1 of this series. Well, all you have to do, and a lot of times I'm not going to name it part 1 because if I make it, I don't know if it's going to be a part 2. So if you will just copy that into this search box, and then hit enter, there is part 7, part 4, part 7B, part 7F, D, 3, 7C, 6. There's part 1, part 5, part 7E, there's part 2 by Mr. Roy Brewer from Engraving Concept. That's always been my main mentor and knows more about Corel. But I just thought I'd show also how to find one of my videos.
Hi, it's me again with Corel.
If you're searching my videos and you go right here to my name and get my home page, right here's a magnifying glass. This is a magnifying glass, but don't use this. Well, you can, but you're only going to find other people's videos about Corel Draw. But right here, you don't even have to put in Corel Draw. Let's say we want to learn about the Weld tool. Just type in weld. There's one, tricks and Weld Tools, Weld Tools, Weld Tools, Weld Techs, Smart Field versus Weld Tool. I mean, look how many videos I have on weld. Let's say you want to search, what would be another good topic? Let's just type in draw. Draw a Celtic knot. It doesn't have. I might have put draw in the contents and not in the other part. If you wanted to know more about text, just type in the word text. It'll search all my videos that have the word text either in the name or in the tagline. Let's go to this video right here, and if you'll look down, well, you can't really see them because they're hidden, I guess. But I'll put tag words in there. So if you need to search one of my videos, search right here. If you want to just search Corel Draw, which I do a lot, I look at other people's videos. So I'm still learning too. And here's a bunch of Corel videos. If you always want to find mine, all you have to do is type in my name, Doug Green. And then every video I'll have, well, there's my channel. Here's one I just did last night. So it's kind of like in order. I did this one just a couple of days ago. But if you click on right there, you get my homepage. And if you click on videos, there's no way to search through 5,500 videos. I've been doing this for almost 7 years. And still today, I still love doing it. Anyway, so I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.